electricity is a very important input into industrial development. Without electricity, no country can develop industrially. And if you cannot develop industrially, then it means you are going to be import dependent. And so your economy becomes that of a commercial economy, buying and selling, rather than an economy which is production-based, generating jobs, generating income, taxes, which the government can then use to provide social amenities for the people. But you just cannot talk about electricity for industrialization without being concerned about the cost of electricity. Now, the cost of electricity takes different forms. We have both the accounting cost, which we call the direct cost, but also the indirect cost of electricity. If you really want to appreciate the cost of electricity, you can appreciate it from the perspective of what we call opportunity cost. For instance, if you want to understand the cost of electricity, you should look at the production that you lose as a result of shortage of power. You should look at the time lost as a result of waiting for power to come back when you have power interruption. If you want to know the cost of electricity, you should look at the cost of alternative power. For instance, hydro at 3 cents per kilowatt hour compared to solar generated power at 18 cents per kilowatt hour. And so the cost of electricity is an issue, it's an important issue, which we are able to understand through the opportunity cost. Not just the direct cost, or what we call the accounting cost, but also the opportunity cost. Now, large-scale production of electricity is better for every country because it is associated with large economies of scale, and that reduces the cost and makes it more affordable for industry, for consumers, so that we can be able to be competitive, especially if you are competing with other goods that are produced from environments that have low cost electricity. So I'm coming to, lead the discussion on how we can appreciate the cost of electricity and how the cost of electricity should influence our decision making, at the policy level, but also at the company operational decision level. This is so important, but also how industry can avoid the high cost of electricity in order to become competitive.
Well, the DUMSO has been with us for quite some time, and even though over the last year there have been periods where there's been some relief, it also has returned, gone off, returned. One thing that is obvious is that the power problem is going to be with us for a long time. The thing about this summit is this: come expecting to get a practical solution about what to do. Something that you can take home and use in your business immediately afterwards. This is not going to be a talk shop. This is not just going to be talking, or this is not going to be about bashing the government or bashing the authorities. This is going to be about what can I do practically, starting almost immediately, to deal with the power situation as I have in my business.
Well, what I think is that this is a very important topic for the country. It's make or break for our country. So we should be looking at all the issues across board that affect the production, distribution, and the pricing of power to businesses and the community at large. So at the end of the day, what I expect us to do is to have thorough discussion and adequate recommendations that will move from where we are to more important and at the level where these solutions can be found.